Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, meron ako sa inyo i-share na earning website. It's a free earning website katulad siya ni Bankbird. Pero ito kasi mas matagal na ito kay Bankbird. I don't know kung kailan siya nag-start, pero super tagal na nito. Way back before is may US dollars silang currency na payment. But now, nung nag-start ako nito is euro nilang yung meron. So ngayon, ito is Coinsbird. Coin-birds. So, matagal ko na ito hindi na ito check. So, let's check. So, ito yung mga payment system nila. And then, active today, 36,354. So, ayan. So, ayan, nakita nga euro yung kanilang, currency. And then, so, kung naglalaro na kayo ng Birds Bank, so same lang din siya, pero kasi sa Birds Bank bago pa lang siya, so parang dinidevelop pa yung mga features niya. Ito kasi develop na to. So kung wala pa kayong Coin-Birds, so kung mag-create kayo ng account, kailangan niya ng username, your email, password. I think needed na verification here ng yung email once na kayo. Repeat password. So ayan, account currency, euro, tsaka ROB na lang. So country, so ayan naman, global naman siya. So lahat ng country, and then sign up. And then kung meron naman na kayong account na, you can sign in here. So actually super tagal ko na siyang hindi na open. So meron na akong gold, pero yun nga, para siguro yung gumawa ko nito, then pag may bago, mas nauuna ko na yun, sinatambak na lang siya. Pero kasi yun naman here, hindi mo naman siya kailangan i-check everyday or time to time, especially kung nag-start lang kayo. So pwede ko siya isabay kay Birds Bank. But yun pala, kailangan pala siyang, kung gusto nyo, meron kasing daily bonus like si Birds Bank, diba? So click natin yung daily bonus. So kung gusto nyo, ito you can get everyday naman siya, 10 to 100 gold coins. Yung gold coins kasi here, you can convert it to pang purchase ng birds, and then or you can then convert it to withdraw funds. So may katumbas yan kung mag-withdraw kayo. So every year naman, you can receive every 12 hours. So you can go back every 12 hours to get gold coins. So sayang din yan. And then ayan, kung bibili kayo ng birds, here naman nakikita mo talaga yung birds kapag binili nyo. So, and then, as I've said before, doon kay Birds Bank, di ba merong yung cost niya, and then kung ilang product na kayang ilay per hour. So, where ito, cost niya 35. Paminsan nag-sale naman to, guys. So, okay lang. Ako paminsan hinihintay ko yung sale, and then yan, 150, so 616. So, mangking yan. So, meron na akong green. So, wala pa ako nung yellow, brown. Siyempre, mas okay yung Kingbird. Siyempre, kasi 21,925 per hour. So, mas mapabilis ang inyong pagbibenta ng mga eggs nila. So, as you can see, let's go to eggs. Babay lang kayo ng bird, and then magpunta nga sa egg warehouse, makikita nyo. Ito yung nabili ng eggs. Ito yung nabili kong eggs. Ay na birds. And then ito yung mga eggs nila sa baba. So dahil matagal ko nang hindi na open, so meron na akong 112,123 na eggs. So So, pag kinolect natin yan, yun nga lang kasi here, may color-coded yung kanilang eggs. And then, kapag mag-sell ka, you can sell egg selling. So, you can click egg selling. And then, as you can see, may katumbas per, depende sa eggs yung katumbas niya, diba? So ayan, pag sinal natin yung nakita nyo 1,000. So tapos sinahati ko kasi yan. So yun nga, as I've said dun kasi sa sa Birds Bank, hindi pa ako masyado marunong kasi especially paghahati niya. So, baka automatic. Ito kasi manual kung ginawa. Pero, automatic din. Pero, you can change it kung gusto mong So, meron silang bago. Referral promotion. This new. Okay. In this section, our market materials are order banner ad for your referral link. So, ito parang bibilin mo or something. So, it is for their referral promotion. So, if you want to try it, I'll put my link down below. Or kung meron dyang you can use also sa comment section kung meron maglalagay ng kanilang link. So, my referrals, as you can see, alam ko wala pa akong, ayan, I don't have referral yet, diba? So, sa partners program naman nila, you can earn gold coins for every replenish of the gold coins accounts per person. So, kaya hindi naman din ako nag-i-invite here kasi yun nga, kung may maglalagay kayo ng for purchase kapag umili yung tsaka kailangan kasi unique IP address din yung so you don't, parang hindi pwedeng self-referral unless yun nga gagamit siguro kayo. Pero kasi paminsan ngayon nadidetect na nila kung gumagamit kayo ng VPN or unless gagamit kayo ng mobile data kasi iba yung IP address noon. So yun, so magkakaroon kayo ng gold coins. So kung mag-withdraw naman kayo here, so click nyo lang withdraw funds dito, ayan. Pero here, option na lang naman yung paglalagay nyo ng coins. So, meron naman kasi lang daily bonus. So, you can earn doon. And then, pag-register nga, I know na magkakaroon kayo ng coins. So, para makabili kayo ng coin birds. So, ayan. So, pipili lang kayo here kung ano yung payment na pipiliin nyo. So, pwede kayong mag-Mastercard, Visa, sa international kasi Russia. Meron silang for Russia only. Then, PayPal, or kung gusto nyo Bitcoin, Perfect Money, so Web Money, so on. So, may payer din sila here. And then, but yun nga, bawat meron din tong fees. So, click natin si PayPal. Alam ko si payer ata yung mas bababa kaysa kay PayPal. So, kung si PayPal, yung kanilang gold bars is minimum kailangan is 74,724 gold bars. Pero wala pa tayong 74,000. Kasi nakaano pa tayo. Magkano lang yung withdraw funds? 400. So, pero ang euro niya is, ayun pa yung USD. Meron na sila bumalik na USD before kasi you cannot click USD. Before euro lang yung pwedeng yung So, at least meron. Pero pag euro yun. Pero pag USD, 615,472. Yun yung minimum nila para to get 79.6 USD ang kanyang conversion, and then with fee of 7%. So yun, so kailangan mag-ipon, and then Pwede naman tayo bumili ng birds kasi we have 919. So, para pandagdag. So, mas okay rin na bumili. Yun nga, inahati at least. Pwede kayo makabili ng birds. Pero gusto ko sana yellow na. Pero kulang pa 919. So, yun. Pero pwede naman kayo bumili ng green or yung beige. Pero ako kasi parang ina-aim ko at least I want to get all of the birds. And then yun nga. So, ganun lang naman siya. So, balik lang kayo every 12 hours to get another bonus na gold coins. Ano kaya nag-register ako here is I get 100 ata yun. Or basta nakabili ako kagad ng birds here. So, ayan. So, rules. That's good. So, ganyan lang naman siya kung paano laruin. Ayan, diba? Yung kanilang earn money by playing. So, buy birds. Kung nag-hatch sila, sell. Then, yun nga, optional naman kung mag-i-invite yung friends, exchange resources for real money, and buy more birds to get more income. So, ayan, sign up right now and get green bird plus 300 gold coins as a gift. Oh, so ito yung bago nila. So, mas okay siya kasi ako doon, as you can see, hindi ako nakakuha ng green bird. And then, nakakuha pala ako ng green birds. Okay, that's yellow, sorry. So, yan, green birds agad, yun nga yung nag-iisa ko. So, 300. So, 300 gold coins siya as a gift. Yun yung kanila pang free. So, you can get one. Diba? And then, yan. So, ganoon lang siya, guys. So, at least may 300 coins kayo. So, 300 coins and you get green birds. So, ako isa lang yung anim pa rin akin. Already bought 6 green birds. And then, kasi naka-sale yan. I don't know. I think, siguro pag bago kayo, may sale siya. So, at least kayo makakabili kayo na mas madami. So, but you can tell me kapag ganun. Kasi kung hindi na ako nakapag, register again sa, dapat gagawin ko kasi is, gagawa pa ako another account. But, yun nga, kailangan kasi unique referral, unique IP address. Kaya hindi ko na nagawa. So, but, yun nga, gagawin ko na lang is, maglo-load ako sa mobile data ko and then gagawa ako. So, check natin kung sale din siya before, or you can suggest or comment down below kung ganoon nga yan. So, yun lang guys. Try nyo din. Kung tinatry nyo si Birds Bank, try nyo rin to si coins.birds. So, you can check it time to time. Doge naman yun. And then here is Euro. So, I'll update you guys once na mag-withdraw na ako here or kung may bagong announcement. So, and then kung mayroon akong bagong natuklasan here kay Coin-Bird. So, free lang naman siya and then hindi naman siya waste of money, but yun nga, hindi nga siya ang cons lang here. Hindi nyo nga lang siya pwedeng gamitin as your main income, diba? So, pang dagdag income lang siya sa inyo guys. And then yun nga, hindi pa naman ako naka-withdraw for the meantime. So, yun, you have to wait kasi per hour yung eggs nila and then may katumbas lang yan. And then, yun nga, at least kapag umabot na kayo sa minimum of their withdrawal, $79.6, diba? So, once na you can convert it, almost nasa 2,000 to 3,000 pesos, diba? Mga nandun yung nag-range yung kanilang ma-earn mo in peso. So, okay din siya, guys. So, try nyo na. So, sayang naman din. Pero yun nga, you can withdraw it directly to your bank account. So, that's it, guys. So, thank you so much. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aking mga latest videos. And I will share more free earning application or website and may mahanap akong okay na investment, I will show you then, guys. So wala naman sa pilitan here. Kung gusto nyo lang, it's your own risk as always. So do your own research, diba? So ito, free naman siya, sayang din naman. So grab it kung ano naman, diba? So goodbye, guys. Thank you so much. Until next time, God bless everyone.